Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shloka 66. Chindandu samshayam hyenam bhavando mokha darshanaha vilambho natra kartavyaha sharanagada vatsalaka. Chindandu samshayam hyenam. Chindandu means be pleased. Please describe, explain to me. Samshayam means doubt. Hyenam, for me to resolve. Bhavando mokha darshanaha. Bhavanda means the person who has been very divine in nature is very tough to see. So these Brahmas, all four sons are divine persons. So it is very tough to see them. Amokha means, mokha means happiness. Amokha means I am too much happy, overwhelmed. Darshanaha, to see you. Vilambo, natra kartavyaha. Vilambo means please tell me. Natra, how to. Kartavyaho, to do or to take the action. Sharanagada vatsalaka. Sharanam means get in asylum or depending where to go. Gada means where to move. Vatsalaha means you are so affectionate. Chindantu samshayam henam bhavando mokadarshanaha vilambo natra kartavyaka sharanagada vatsalaka. So Narada Muni is telling this much questions to the Kumaras, the Sanat Kumaras, who are the four sons of Brahma. Sanagan, Sanandan, Sanadanan, Sanat Kumaran. So this Narada was able to meet them because he was searching for an answer for the questions that was having in his mind to get the consciousness of the two sons of Bhakti Devi. So the Narada is asking, be pleased to resolve this doubt, as the sight of person like you is always fruitful to see, and you are always kind and affectionate to all who resort to you for asylum. So please do not differ or the solution of any doubt. So the Narada Muni wants to know, he wants to ask these questions to Kumaras, and they will have to reply to him in such a way that will completely solve a lot of problems to those persons who are in the Kali Yuga. Chindandu samshayam henam bhavando mokha darshanaha vilambo natra kartavyaha sharanagada vatsalaha. Thank you.